All right, let's get into the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s of the root chakra. Because people hear the word root chakra and think it's some spiritual buzzword, but it's not. This is your foundation. If this is off, nothing else fucking holds. You can talk about purpose, creativity, intuition all day long, but if your root isn't stable, then everything collapses under fucking pressure. That's a root issue. So let's get into what it is. Your root chakra sits at the base of your spine. This is your I am safe center. Not dreams, not emotions, just your basic survival. This is where your body decides, I'm good, I'm not good. I can relax, I need to stay on edge. If you're constantly feeling on edge for no reason, that's your first fucking red flag. Now let's talk about what it does. This is your stability center. It controls safety in your body, not just your environment. Grounding, being present versus in your head. Security, money, home, structure. Nervous system baseline, calm versus survival mode. So when it's working, you feel steady. You move with certainty. When it's blocked, everything feels unstable, even when nothing is actually wrong. And now what it regulates, physical and energetic. This isn't just energy talk. This is an area connected to your legs and feet, spine, especially your lower, colon and digestion, adrenal glands, your stress response. So when this is off, you might notice anxiety for no clear fucking reason. Financial stress patterns, same loop over and over again. Feeling ungrounded or scattered, lower back pain, digestive issues, always feeling like you're behind in life. Your body will always show you first. So what to eat to fuel the root system? You don't ground yourself with just thoughts. You ground yourself with what you consume as well. Focus on root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, beets, proteins, eggs, meat, legume. Just make sure you know where all this stuff is sourced from. Just saying. Earth-grown foods, things that come from the ground, not a fucking lab. But, I hate that we need to say that. Then also you need mineral-rich foods, sea salt, iron-rich foods, warm cooked meals. Not everything needs to be cold and raw. In human terms, dense, grounding, real food. If you're living off of sugar, caffeine, and fucking vibes, of course you feel fucking unstable. How to fix it and not overcomplicate it. Edition. 1, get in your body. 313, what's up, dad? Walk, stand barefoot, lift something heavy. You don't ground by thinking, you ground by being in your body. 2, create structure. Wake up at the same time, eat real meals, handle your responsibilities, handle the chaos in your life. If there's chaos in your life, that means there's chaos in your root chakra and you need some clearing. 3, handle what you've been avoiding. Unpaid bills, messy space, loose ends. Every avoided task tells your body, I'm not safe. 4, sneeze for confirmation and she releasing energy at the same time. 4, slow down your nervous system. Not everything is a fucking emergency, but your body thinks it is when you're living in survival mode. Your root chakra is fucking fried. This isn't about becoming more spiritual. This is about becoming more stable and grounded in your body. Because if your foundation is weak, nothing you build on top of it will last. You don't need to chase safety. You just need to build it. 420 on that timer. Nothing's random. Nothing's a coincidence here. Everything else, confidence, creativity, intuition, it all has somewhere to land if you have a stable root foundation. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. The back of an ice cream truck catches my attention with Spider-Man on there. To know me is to know Spider-Man's my favorite. But anyway, if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. 266 might be a number for somebody. On that note, I'm going to end it here. has 110 passes on a cop car. 110 has been coming up a lot because that's the handler's birthday as well. Nothing's random in this fucking simulation, just saying.